It's Lishi TOY2018 tutorial. Lifter A is down, B is up. Here is opposite from TOY2. Let's watch the cylinder. The second, fourth, sixth, eighth controlled by lifter A. The rest controlled by B. Looking for wafers from A. The second, fourth, sixth, eighth are spongy. Lifter B, first, third, fifth, seventh also spongy. Position A is down, B is up. Keep pushing tension bar. At first, use lifter A. If spongy, another one. Spongy, another one. Spongy, go on. Not spongy, click. Next, lifter B. First, not spongy, click. Third, spongy, go on. The fifth, the seventh, not spongy, click. Repeat the same method. If it's spongy, pass. If not spongy, click. The sixth, the eighth, the first, third, fifth not spongy, click. Pay attention, left hand. It's picked. It's time to keep beating. From lifter A, the first one. The second is 3. The third position is 1. The fourth is 2. Let's use the lifter B. The first is 2. The second is 1. The third wafer is 3. The fourth position is 4. All keep beating is ready. And then click cut by beating. Search TOY2018. Prepare proper key blank. Both of these key blanks are alright. One is universal key blank, another is special key blank. Enter this option. It shows how to install the key blank on the machine. Install it depending on getting picture. This tool makes the key blank more stable. Lifter A is up, B is down, and then click Converse. Key beating is already changed. Finally, cut. This key only single side. Have a watch. Try to turn on the lock. Perfect. Nice cutting.